Today I'll be talking about how you can adjust mailing preference for your Google AdSense. That's the 1099-miscellaneous form. By default, I think it's mailed to you. This is obviously for people who do use YouTube or have some type of blog site, or maybe not as obvious. The first thing is you'll have to have already added your tax information. In the United States, it's the W-9. And this is done through Adsense. So I'm assuming you've already done this. So first is log into Adsense. And these are the steps that it takes. You'll click on the payments on the left side, click on manage settings, click payment profile, and so forth. So I'll go through the steps right now. First step is clicking on the payments navigation button on the left side. After you've done that, you'll be taken to the payments info page. Scroll down to settings where it says manage settings and click on that. The reason why I made this video is not exactly super easy to get to this page. It's in my mind, it's kind of hidden. So then the next thing is once you click on that, it will be taken to the another payments info page, but scroll down to where it says payments profile. So you have to scroll down to payments profile. And I'm in the United States, so I've already entered in my W-9 information. I believe over here is where you could enter in your W-9 information. Is you click on the pencil sign over here under United Tax Info. But anyways, this is again to change your mailing preference for the 1099 because usually it's sent by mail, but you could actually just have it made available on this web page. Again, I'm not sure if it's our, like for me, I can't access older 1099s, but once I change the setting for future 1099s, it'll become available. So I did this before 2021 tax form was available. The next thing is you'll want to click the manage tax info button over here. Once you do that, you'll finally get a pop-up with your information about your tax information. This is called, I think, the Manage Tax Info page. There's no link through the left navigation bar, and that's the reason why I made this, because it was actually really confusing for me to get to here. I'd found it once, and I couldn't find it again. But from here, now you can finally click in the middle left of the page, and click the Manage Delivery Preferences. And from there, that's where you can set to go paperless. By default, it'll probably be set to over here where it says get documents by mail. But go paperless, and you have to accept the paperless delivery agreement over here, this check mark, and finally click update delivery preferences. And once you do that, you'll have to wait for your tax form. If you already got it mailed, you won't get it online like this. It's one or the other. So I did this before the end of 2021, and when the tax form was made available, I received an email from Google saying your form is now available. They didn't really say how to get there, which is surprising, but I was able to figure out how to finally get to the Manage Tax Info web page, and then you can select the year and then select the document and click on it. And so that's how you can change your delivery preferences for the 1099 form here in the United States. It might, I mean, this is international, so people from other countries might have to do it slightly differently. So good luck. Hopefully this helps, and have a nice day.